October 20th is International Sloth Day, a day to honor the adorable, slow-moving, tree-dwelling and leaf-eating mammal. The day is created to give awareness about life cycle and natural habitat of the sloth. They spend most of their lives hanging upside down in the trees of the tropical rainforest of South America and Central America. The impressive biology of a sloth allows it to spend 90% of its life hanging upside down. In this video, you can see the sluggish tree dweller almost helpless on the ground. They have long claws that make walking on land difficult. You can also see its greenish fur, which harbors a variety of symbiotic algae, fungi, beetles and other insects. The algae on the sloth fur gives it its characteristic green color and help the sloth camouflage itself in thick vegetation. Sloths have long limbs and rounded head with tiny ears and are unusual among mammals that they have an extra vertebrae at the base of their neck that allows them to turn their head on a 270-degree axis, which proves to be a highly beneficial defense mechanism. There are two different types of sloths, two-toed and three-toed, and 6 different species, namely pygmy three-toed sloth, maned sloth, pale-throated sloth, brown-throated sloth, Linnaeus two-toed sloth, and Hoffman's two-toed sloth. Of these, pygmy sloth is critically endangered and maned sloth is vulnerable. They belong to class Mammalia, order Pilosa, suborder Folivora, and family Megatheroideae and Mylodontoideae. Different for two-toed and three-toed. And its scientific name is Bradypus pygmaeus. The facial structure of a sloth gives the appearance that it is constantly smiling even if it is experiencing pain, stress, or anxiety. The sloths have an exceptionally low metabolic rate and spend 15 to 20 hours per day sleeping. And surprisingly, the long-armed animals are excellent swimmers. Here you can see the sloth moving through the canopy at a rate of about 40 yards per day. A sloth's diet consists of mainly buds, leaves and tender shoots, although some sloths have been known to eat insects and birds to supplement their diet. They have a multi-compartment stomach that allows effectively digest the tough cellulose that they eat. This proves to be a slow process taking around 30 days to digest one meal. Just imagine how much time it is taking. Look, this cute baby sloth. So the health of sloth population is wholly dependent on the health of tropical rainforests which are at risk of deforestation. Without the abundance of trees, sloths will lose their shelter as well as food source. When sloths come to the forest floor, which they do once a week to relieve themselves, they are more exposed to predators. Since 2003, WWF has been working with the Brazilian government on the Amazon Region Protected Areas Initiative, that is ARPA, to protect rainforest. ARPA has become the largest conservation project in the world. Hope you got information about the slowest moving wonderful creatures and enjoyed it. Please share the video. Thank you all dears for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel named Nature's Pearls. Thanks once again.